I want you to have the stickiest open house possible. Hello, my name is Dan Pacheco, Director of Agent Development here at Preferred Real Estate Brokers, and today I'm going to give you one tip to make sure that your open house experience is super duper sticky. What do I mean by that? Is I want you to grab the information from everyone that comes in, okay? So classically, when someone comes into your open house, they're presented with a sign-in sheet that just simply has a space for their name, phone number, and email address. A lot of times that gets overlooked, or if they do try to fill it out, it's written in a really bad penmanship, kind of like mine, okay? So how do you get the right stuff in a legible way? You reframe the entire experience and make them your focus group, okay? So when they come into your open house, you actually hand them a clipboard. I know that sounds kind of dated, but trust me, this works, okay? Hand them that clipboard, and on that clipboard is a sheet that has a space for their name, and then 3 things they like about the house, 3 things that they want to see changed, and what do they think about the price. Now, the reason that they want to give you the correct information is because you're raffling off a really sweet gift basket or a prize of some sort that'll be sent to them later on, so they don't get to walk away with it that day. That's where they want to, again, give you the right contact information so they can be contacted if they're the winner, okay? So as they walk around the house, they're filling out their opinions about it, what they like, what they don't like, and again, what they think about the price and any other miscellaneous notes. At the end of it, when they hand it back to you, you say, thanks for coming by, I'll see you next time, okay? So at this point, you take all that information, put it into your CRM, but now that's what this does is gives you 2 unique ways to follow up with them. The first one, if we go without this method, could go something like this. Hi, this is Dan Pacheco, Director of Agent Development at Preferred Real Estate Brokers. Thank you so much for coming to my open house this past Saturday. Just wanted to see if you have any questions about it, or if you have any real estate needs. No? Okay, thanks. Love you. Bye. That's option 1. Or with this method, the focus group method, the follow-up call looks like this. Hey, it's Dan Pacheco, Director of Agent Development for Preferred Real Estate Brokers. Thank you so much for coming to my open house this past Saturday. Now listen, I see that you really love the fact that the primary bedroom was on the first floor, but you didn't like the fact that the pool was not screened in, and you thought the price was a little bit high. I actually have a few listings around town that fit your criteria. Do you want to go Wednesday or Friday to see them? Okay, I'll see you then. Thanks. Love you. Bye. Obviously, the last one's better because you have that information ahead of time, okay? So there you go. That's one way to make sure that everyone that comes into your open house, you get the right information right from the get-go, all right? So have a wonderful day. See you guys next time.